Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file and the codecs, because format mismatches are the most common cause. Once done, copy the video to a local drive and close other apps to prevent file locks. Make sure Windows Media Feature Pack or a trusted codec pack is installed. This lets PowerPoint decode the stream. If you use MOV, convert to MP4 with H. 264 for reliability. These steps prepare PowerPoint to play meteor, rather than diagnose random errors later. Next, you decide whether to embed or link the file. Embedding prevents missing media but increases file size, while linking keeps the presentation light but needs the file path intact. Once inserted, open the Playback tab and set Start Options and Trimming, because start behavior often looks like a failure. Test in both normal and slide, show modes to catch rendering differences. If audio is out of sync, use rehearse timings. These middle steps ensure correct behavior before final export. Finally, convert stubborn videos to MP4 with H. 264 and AAC audio, because re-encoding resolves many decoding problems. Update PowerPoint and your GPU drivers, then toggle hardware graphics acceleration off to see if rendering is the culprit. Once fixed, reinsert and retest. Export to PDF for static backup, and include the original media file alongside the presentation if you linked it. If things still go wrong, this one tip helps. Attach the media file separately for the presenter to play locally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.